Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at Natassia R1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to eat healthy on a budget. And we've got chicken fillets here. So I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy meals for under $5 each, which is under 100 bucks for South Africa, and under 500 calories each. So it'll be great as part of your healthy diet. So how do we take it from this to that? Alright guys, let's begin. On the first recipe, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a green avo chicken pasta salad. So it's super easy and super nutritious. It's got 370 calories per serving. It's got 20 grams of protein, which is amazing for muscle building. And again, it's under $5, which is about 85 Rand here in South Africa. So we first have some avocado, which I think is great because you've got some healthy fats. It also gives it some creaminess to the sauce, and it's also quite delicious. So we're going to put it into our nutrition extractor, or if you have a blender at home, that's fine. So we're going to put in the avocado, coolio. Then we've got some mint. So I love mint because it's a great herb to use. It's refreshing and it's great. It gives you that pungent kick sometimes which you need in some of your salads. So I'm going to take a few leaves of these mint and we'll put it in. It's really going to give it that extra green color and texture as well. Oh, it smells so delicious. Okay, then we've got a chili. Of course, I'm Indian, so chili is great as an anti-inflammatory, but also gives it that kick and that heat that you want, but not too much. I'm using a Thai chili, so it's not too bad. And then we have garlic. So I love garlic. Garlic just lifts any dish. It just gives it that delicious garlicky flavor. So I really am keen on it. You can put 2 pieces if you'd like. And then we have some lemon. So lemon will bring out the freshness, give it a little bit of tang, give you a little kick, and I love it. So let's just put it in. Great. So I'm using half a lemon here. You could use lime. Fabulous. You also need salt and black pepper. Put it all together. Oopsie. So here we go. Oh wow, it smells absolutely delicious. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's super green and super creamy. So now that we have the creamy sauce within the pasta and the grilled chicken with salt and black pepper, it looks absolutely amazing if you guys can see this. And now we're going to put it into a serving dish. So we put our pasta in. Ooh, that looks phenomenal. Okay, a little bit more black pepper. Some beautiful mint. Okay, some lemon for garnish. And I need a fork. So I'm absolutely gonna have a taste of this. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it. How beautiful. Take a look. So I'm gonna taste it. Let's try some pasta, some chicken, and the sauce. Oh wow. This is really good. It's got the creaminess of the avo. It's got the mint coming through. It's got the lemon. And it's got the salt and the black pepper with the lemon juice. The lemon juice really elevates it. Oh wow. Hey guys, so the next recipe I'm going to introduce you to is called soy chicken and broccoli rice. A staple in my house, absolutely delicious. Have it for dinner, have it for lunch. It's so versatile and easy. And it's so quick to make. It's about 350 calories with a little bit of rice. You can use any type of rice if you like, or no rice. And it comes in at about 22 grams of protein, and again under $5 and 85 bucks if you're in South Africa. So let's begin. So we're literally going to start with a hot pan, and as you can see, we put in some olive oil or any coconut oil if you'd like. And now we're going to add our ingredients. So we've got onion, then we've got some garlic, and then we've got some chilies. We're going to saute it until it's nice and brown or translucent. Then we've got some chicken, as you can see. Brown our chicken. We've got salt and black pepper. Put in some chili powder or paprika. And now we've got some soy sauce. Or you could use teriyaki as well. Smells delicious. And we add our broccoli. bowl. Now I'm going to add this in. So I'm going to try a bit of the chicken first and give that a shot. Absolutely delicious. You've got the garlic coming through, you've got the chili, you've got the soy sauce, a little bit of the paprika coming through and chili powder. It's really good. Yummy. So the last trick I have up my sleeve is the third meal is actually a starch substitute. So with our beautiful soy chicken and broccoli rice, instead of rice, you can use a bowl of noodles. 2-minute noodles. How cheap is that? So noodles have a little bit more carbohydrates than rice. So you're looking at about 400 calories, which is still healthier than going an oily route or having some fried bread, for example. So I would go with some noodles and with your soy chicken and broccoli, and you have a complete new meal, and it is so delicious. Healthier versions you can do is buckwheat soba noodles, or you can do brown rice, or you can do moon dal or moon bean noodles if you'd like. I just like the normal 2-minute noodles. It's cheap, and again, it's how to eat healthy on a budget. So not everybody's going to be able to afford the soba noodles or the buckwheat noodles. So simple 2-minute noodles will do, and you've got a complete new meal for a different day, a different audience, and with your family.